Welcome back to my YouTube video. Today what I'm doing, I'm just cooking some typical Jamaican breakfast. Some festival consists of baking powder, vanilla, sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, bit of butter, and of course cornmeal, some water. With this you can have it with anything you desire. Some callaloo, but today I'm gonna have some ackee and saltfish, which I've done earlier. Next video I'll do a full video on how to do the ackee and saltfish. This is the ackee and saltfish which I've done before, which I'll do another video how to do it. Well, you have the saltfish, we have some tomato, scotch bonnet, black pepper, and of course you can use olive oil or vegetable oil, whichever oil you choose to. So I'm gonna have this with some ackee and saltfish and some festival. That's my breakfast with a cup of tea or coffee. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Peace be unto you.